All right, let me show you this paper towel holder. So it's just metal stainless steel, one piece, and it comes with the screws, and there's adhesive on back. So if you want to stick it or whatever surface you want, and you don't want to drill holes, you don't have to use the screws. All right, so this is what I'm using now, the paper towel holder. But if you want to free up your counter space, let's get rid of this, mount this. I'm going to use that adhesive and just stick it under. So, all right, there you go. And let's install the paper towels. Perfect. There you go. Didn't have to use the screws. No holes. Nice and secure.